The use of accuracy-based activities. Accuracy precedes fluency. So when we say fluency, it is a system that delivers information quickly and with expertise. So with this activity, it will help the student to deliver the information with a proper and correct way. Forum accused activities prepare students for communicative tasks. So it also strengthens, or it enhances also the communicative skill of a learner. So these activities have a high degree of control and focuses on specific language components. So there are 4 activities described on how to make an accuracy based meaningful. So first is we have the contextualized example. This This aims to establish the link between form and the function. So form and function. A learner must know on a learner must know the meaning of specific word, and then he must also know the function or the use of that word, so that he can make it he can use it with the word he can use the word to express himself also. So the activity should highlight the situation where the form is commonly used. So example would be a teacher will give a role play to the students, and then they will make a scenario about the socio cultural norms. So So, with this situated activity should be appropriate and follow target language socio-cultural norms. So this will help to make the learners aware on how to select the best way to express themselves in the given context, and also how to react and what is said to them appropriately. So they will make a scenario about the socio-cultural norms, where they will know about the form and then the function of sociocultural norms. So next is the personalizing language. Personalized practice encourage learners to express their ideas, feelings, and opinions. So this activity help learners to use language in interpersonal interaction. A variety of gambits and useful expressions should be provided. So with this activity, the it enhances the personal language of a learner, wherein they can they can freely express themselves or their ideas, their thoughts about regarding to a specific topic. So perfect example would be the debate. Perfect example would be the debate, wherein it more enhances the personal language of a student. They formulate their own thoughts and opinion about a certain situation, and then they will deliver it with the useful expressions. So through the debate, they can express they can fully express their selves. So it encourages to express their ideas, language, and feelings. So the third one would be building awareness of the social use of language. So this involves understanding social convention and interaction. Communication strategies are directly taught and practiced through contextualized activity. So with this activity, a student must be aware on how to use the language properly in a social convention interaction, because if a student is not aware, there will be a tendency that the people he used to interact with will misinterpret or misunderstand the meaning that he wanted to convey. Lastly is we have the building confidence. Confidence is the key to create a positive climate in classroom, where learners are encouraged to take risks and engage in activities. So confidence. Confidence would be one of the most important a learner or a student must have in order to make a good atmosphere in a classroom. So if a learner or if an educator is confident enough, it will influence his learners to be confident as well and take risks and engage to different activities because they are they are confident with themselves that they can they can answer the given question, or they are confident with themselves that they will that they will um they are confident with themselves that they will achieve they will understand the given topic given by the educator. So that would be all, and thank you.